Oh hey, what's up? I wanted to show you how I installed my new fridge in the camper. So let's go check it out. Well, in the last video you saw all the work I did to rip out the old fridge and the old sink and install the new sink. In this video I'm going to show you how I reinforced this fridge platform and how I built this frame so that this fridge stays snugly in place. Snugly's a word, right? So anyways, hope you enjoy the video. We're gonna work on putting the fridge in here. The plan is to fiberglass right here. After that, I feel like it'll be strong enough. I feel like it's strong enough right now to put the fridge on, but I feel more comfortable fiberglassing a little bit. So I'm gonna do that. This is fiberglass foam, so the resin will soak into that foam really nicely and bond everything. For this fiberglass project, I'm using the same tried and true West Systems 105 epoxy resin and 206 hardener. You can also go with the 207 hardener for a faster curing time. I've been through about 4 gallons of this epoxy resin, and I have to say, with the mini pump set, it's an absolute pleasure to work with. In the past year, I've come to really enjoy fiberglassing, and it's actually quite therapeutic. Fiberglassing is done. I miss that smell from the Sunraider. So yeah, we filled in this gap over here, decided to just pop that piece back in there for the outdoor shower because we moved it, and then just fiberglass it in. And the main thing though was the center, and then I figured I'd reinforce the corner a little bit too. So this should make the fridge platform a lot stronger without adding really any weight. Now I'm going to mount the cigarette lighter down here so that the fridge can have power and work and be cold. Check out the other thing I'm installing today. What? Down to my... Don't need that one. No, I do not. Yeah, that looks sweet. Alright. So, now that I got my sweet Dodgemahal plate on here, it's time to build a frame for the fridge. None other than Dometic CFX95 Cool Freeze fridge and freezer. We're gonna build a frame with wood. It's kind of weird because this is the only, like wood other than this trim that's gonna be in here. But I'm gonna waterproof it with this stain. This was actually the paint I was gonna use in the Sunraider. Kind of gonna build a frame to cradle this fridge. Cradle it in there and make sure it's got a good loving home where it feels welcome. And mainly one that isn't rocky. Just one that is stable for this fridge so it can really just hold everything together, because what's inside is more important than what's outside. I don't know, I'm just thinking of random things that apply to people in fridges. So this is a Craig jig, and I'm about to show you why it's so amazing. Alright, well, it's nighttime. had to let the paint dry. I decided I'm gonna paint kind of along this whole inner cabinet area along the border. You'll know what I mean once I do it. Alright, well, pretty excited with how everything's turning out. Alright, so this is going to be our support up here, and as you can see, it's going to fit really nicely in this place right there. I don't think there's any way that's going to come out, even though I know it looks like a very minimal amount of framing, and it is. I wanted to kind of have the fridge open, but like I can't even tilt it up. Like for me to pull this out right now would be kind of tough because it's really tight. So I think it's gonna work. Which is all right. Well, thanks so much for watching the fridge install video. Loving this fridge so far. Had it in for a couple months now, and I'm going to do a full review on the fridge itself once I have some full-time use on it. But thanks so much for watching. We've got the new fridge in, we've got the new sink in. In the next video, I'm going to show you this Camp Chef stove oven, how it kind of fits into the kitchen setup, how we, use it, and where we put it, and how it all kind of goes together. But really loving this new kitchen. I think it adds a lot more possibilities now that I have a freezer, now that I have an oven, a little bit bigger sink that's just a little bit more open. Feel like these are all big improvements, and very excited about them. But I'm getting a phone call, so I have to go. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and the only question is, are you down to mob? Oh, I missed my call. Oh. Anyways, I'll call him back. Thanks for watching.